Guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're already a part of my family, welcome back. I'm making some cremas for you. It is a sweet and creamy alcoholic beverage which is native to Haiti. So I put a little twist onto it, so let's get right into the kitchen. So into a pot, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. And I'm going to also add some spices, which is cinnamon stick, some star anise. You can also add your nutmegs and cinnamon powder into this if you want to. You can also add your lime or lemon zest and boil them together, whichever way you choose to do it. Let this come to a complete boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until the spices are infused into the milk. And then once it's all boiled up nicely, you're going to remove it from the heat and set it aside until it is completely cold. We're now going to use a hot milk to mix it up, all right? Once the milk is cold, just remove the spices and just strain the milk right over into your blender. And at this time, you want to add the rest of your ingredients, which I did it different, all right? Like you see, I just boiled the star anise and the cinnamon sticks alone. So here I add the lemon zest and the nutmeg. Now I'm adding the coconut milk. You want to also add the condensed milk into this mixture here, along with some mixed essence. And don't you forget to check the description box below for all ingredients and measurements. Now I'm using the Guyana Diamond Gold Rum, and here is where I made the twist using a different rum, all right? Pour the rum into your condensed milk container and just stir it around just so you can get the excess milk from the container, and pour it right into your blender. Blend it up, making sure that everything is well combined. And you just want to blend it for like 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes will do. Once it's all done, we're going to pour it into a container with a tight lid and then just place it into the refrigerator. I let mine sit in the refrigerator for the whole day. You want to serve this when it is very cold, all right? And once it gets cold, it's going to start thickening up. So put it into that container with a tight lid and pop it into the refrigerator. And guys, you want to shake it up well before you serve, all right? Make sure that everything is well incorporated. Just make sure you shake, 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 and then you are going to serve your cremas. Look at how smooth this is. And it is so tasty. Just be careful. Use how much rum you want into yours. I don't think I'm going to put a full description at the bottom because I think you should adjust when you're making something like this. Adjust to your taste, all right? So this is a taste of Haiti in Barbados, guys. It is so good, all right? So give it a try. Leave me a comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share to my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.